My name is Mike Allen. I'm one of the owners here at Carfix. We've been here in the Garner area since 2005 and in Raleigh since 2019. But it's really been in my blood since before I was born. My family's been doing this since 1935. My grandfather had a shop in rural Orange County for over 60 years. My dad had a shop in Chapel Hill for over 30 years. And now I guess we're at 15 years and counting. I get a lot of fulfillment from being a small business owner, and specifically in the industry that we're in Carfix. As I was a teenager and a young adult working in my dad's shop, changing oil, changing tires, doing whatever I was told to, take out the trash, sweep, that kind of thing. And now, today, my kids are running around the shop, and seeing the evolution of the industry and the technology and the skill sets that are required to do that kind of work has been really interesting. But ultimately, it's still just relationships, right? It's still helping people. And so I've enjoyed seeing the evolution of our industry and the technology, but while that portion has changed, the heart of it is really the same. A lot of the times when people come in to visit us, they're not visiting because they want to. Nobody wakes up in the morning and says, you know what, I think I'm gonna have my car break down and get towed into the shop today. So they're really stressed out, and it's a very tumultuous time, and it can be scary not knowing what's gonna happen or what the cost might end up being. So being able to take those people and help them relax and understand that it's gonna be okay, and pull that stress out of the situation and help them get their life back in order, give them a free loaner vehicle, give them a ride, that kind of thing, and get their car back on the road safely. That's really kind of the best thing that we can do.